For TraderInsight.com, I'm Adrian Manns, and I would like to review Fast Ball XRV trade number 2 for Monday, April 2nd, 2018. This was Centene Corporation, ticker symbol CNC. You can see here this one opened above the criteria threshold, so this opened out of line with the Thursday close, opened up at 107.50, so the thing to do here was to wait until it came down into the prior session's range. You can do this with a conditional order and specify in the conditional order that the last price has to be less than or equal to 107.07 in order for an order to become active. Once that order is active, once we're down here, then the entry is above 107.07, which was the high of that Thursday range. It can be anywhere from 107.07 up to about 107.20, and the stop loss on this one down at 106.13. Hopefully you can all see why I put the stop down into this range. Gets you down below this significant dip on Friday, gets you down below the low of this morning's trading and into these ranges here where we have a very high likelihood of a move back down into 104.96. In any case, once it triggered, the move $1 above the Friday high was a no-brainer. This one came up through and got all the way up to 108.10 before reversing back down again and sailing into what was our original stop loss and then ultimately down into the central pivot. But a nice move on this one, nice potential profit for you guys if you took it, and hopefully that worked out for you as per the plan. So if you have any questions, shoot me an email, adrian@traderinsight.com. I hope you had a great trading day today and an even better one on deck for tomorrow. It's the best trader education anywhere, only from traderinsight.com.